Hi, I'm David Carta, CEO of Teleris. One of the first initiatives Teleris embarked upon at the start of the pandemic was to modify our XPressEntry handheld badge system to assist companies with questionnaire screening for COVID-19. Kelly Lim was our engineer that helped architect the solution. Hi, Kelly.
Hey, Dave.
So what was the hardest part about building the HealthCheck feature into XPressEntry?
So the most difficult part is that different customers have different needs in terms of what questions they would need to ask during a health check screening. So for instance, you'll see here on the screen that we have you traveled recently, or do you have a fever?
Those seem pretty standard questions, but I seem to remember we had a customer that wanted to do live temperature scanning.
Yeah, so let's submit this person and we can actually add that live temperature scanning. So I'm going to select no for both these questions, and we will submit this data. As you see here, I'll do entry. If you go over to our settings page here, you'll see that we have our options of what questions to display. So we're going to enable our temperature scan.
Can we get rid of the other two?
Yes, we can.
So now
we'll save that.
We should only be seeing the temperature scanning.
Correct, yes. So now if we come back to the handheld, you can see the handheld, that green arrow is downloading the updated data. And then we're going to submit the badge number again. And you'll see here for gold that his temp scan is the only thing available.
So now if you wanted to enter this, I assume you could just click on the button and you could enter it. What happens if you wanted to tie it into, let's say, a live Bluetooth temperature thermometer?
Yeah. So how we're going to connect to a Bluetooth thermometer, I have a comfort device right here. Small little Bluetooth thermometer, easy to use. We're going to go to our Keylink application. And we're going to go to external devices. And what we're going to do is set it up for the very first time. So we're going to select comfort thermometer. We're going to do a discover BLE devices. We got to allow the permissions first, and we'll try it one more time. And I'll turn the device on. Perfect. So we see the device. We're going to highlight it, and we're going to click connect. So we'll see here it says device connected. So this is going to happen the very first time. And once it's connected the first time, it should auto reconnect at any given time. So we're going to set it to Fahrenheit because we're in the US. We're going to go back to the XPressEntry application now. So you can see here the Bluetooth thermometer, the icon, I should say, on the top right, it's turned green. I'm going to scan my own temperature. And you can see 97.88. And over here, it'll say 97.8. So it actually just directly inputs the temperature.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
Excellent. How does this integrate with, say, an access control system?
So for access controls, we integrate with OnGuard and AMAG Symmetry, and we have 25 other integrations that we integrate with. They will all work very similarly, where we can still enter people into the facility, but also do a health check screening at the same time that will be stored locally within XPressEntry.
Nice. And I imagine this is all managed directly through XPressEntry, since your access control system isn't built to manage health data.
Yes, correct. So all the data will be stored locally within XPressEntry. You can view the data at any time and also remove any of the data at any time, depending on compliance laws.
Nice, nice. Well, thanks for sharing this with us.
No problem, Dave.
All right. Have a great night.
You too.